Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error, Hytale has crashed, failed to load image from path, and there's a full path here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this path. So just go to this location. I'm gonna go to my location now. Open up start menu, right run, go into app data, roaming, Hytale, install, release, package, game, latest, client, data, game, UI, textures, cursor, and default cursor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this cursor file out of here and put it anywhere else. So for example, I'm going to put it here. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my start menu right here, smart app control, and just turn smart app control off. So just turn it off, but be aware that once you turn this off, you cannot turn this on unless you reinstall your Windows. So just turn this off. After that, restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can turn on Hytale and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that Hytale has crashed problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.